once you've completed your sign up to TPS services, you will be sent an activation email, which is something pretty sure most of you are familiar with nowadays. So if I click on my email, here we go. It's the action required for your TPS services account. Just click on it and then click the activation email. If for any reason you're having problems with that, you can just go to here, which is www.tpsservices.co.uk/activate.aspx, and you can input that code. But as a general rule of thumb, click that, and there we go, we're active, and we can now log in. So if I log in, there we go, I'm in, and you can see up there, for the code that I used, I've got 250 credits for free.